Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the images you want in the collage and creating a new VN project with the right aspect ratio. Import photos via plus right arrow media and select multiple files at once. This prevents resizing headaches later. Once done, add a blank background clip or colored plate to the timeline so you can place items precisely. Make sure the project frame matches where you'll share the collages, square for Instagram, 16:9 for video, because scaling after composition loses quality. Now arrange each photo on its own layer and use VN's transform controls to move, scale, and rotate photos exactly where you want them. Use the crop and fit or mask tool to create rounded frames or custom shapes. Masks let you overlap images cleanly without editing pixels. Once arranged, turn on snapping or a grid and use numeric position and scale entries to replicate consistent margins. This keeps edges aligned and prevents awkward visual weight across the composition. Finish by adding borders, shadows, and a background matte to separate images and add depth. Small drop shadows often improve legibility. Add text or stickers if needed, then export using the project's resolution and an appropriate bitrate. H.264 is compatible broadly. HEVC saves space. If things go wrong, make sure all clips share the same duration and that you didn't accidentally lock scale or change the project aspect ratio. Unlocking transforms and reapplying numbers fixes most alignment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.